Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharat Chandra. Welcome to today's breaking news video. News number 1, Kalyan Jewelers IPO opened today. The issue price of the IPO is 86 to 87 rupees per share. Current grey market premium is rupees 6 to 7 per share. Watch our detailed video on Kalyan Jewelers to get the complete information about this IPO so that you can take a decision whether to apply or not. As most of you guessed in that video, Kalyan Jewelers Karnataka brand ambassador is Dr. Shivraj Kumar. News number 2, Government and RBI have similar view on cryptocurrencies. The government is planning to introduce a bill in the parliament to regulate cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. There are reports that the government and RBI will ban cryptocurrencies. We need to see the dates on this matter in the next few months. News number 3, PSU Bank's NPAs falls by rupees 1 lakh crores in 2020-21. As per the government data, non-performing assets or NPAs of government banks has fallen from rupees 6 lakh 78,000 crores to rupees 5 lakh 77,000 crores in 2020-21. This is a good sign for government banks which have been facing huge NPAs over the years. NPAs have reduced by 20 to 40% in various banks such as UCO Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, SBI, Canara Bank, etc. News number 4. Few recent IPOs have fallen 17 to 25% from their highest level. We have been mentioning in all our videos on the IPOs that listing gains may be there, but all IPOs will not do well in the long term because some companies, the fundamentals are not very strong. In the bull market, everything looks nice, but when they face a difficult situation or when the bull market fades away, that's the time people and investors are stuck at the highest rate. Look at the table below. Home First Finance, highest price was 640, current price 505, percentage fall 21%. Heramba Industries 945, current price 713, percentage fall 25%. Brookfield REIT 282 rupees was the highest price, current price 235, percentage fall 17% from the highest. Nureka 747, current price was 576, 23% from the highest. So as we said, if you are very confident of holding a stock for long term, that's the time you invest for IPO, or if you've invested for IPO, you got listing gains, maybe you can exit. If you continue to hold, this could be the situation and you may be stuck unnecessarily. So always, unless you do the research, become confident of investing in IPOs, you can avoid IPOs so that your money is safe. News number 5, Easy Trip Planners IPO share allotment finalization today. Today evening, investors who have invested in Easy Trip Planners IPO can check their share allotments status online. You can check it on the BSE website by searching on Google for the exact website link so that when you check online, you will know whether you've got the share allotment or not. News number 6, Upstox brokerage company has been announced as the official partner for IPL 2021. BCCI has announced online brokerage firm Upstox as its official partner for IPL 2021. So they are sponsoring IPL 2021 and this will be a multi-year partnership not only for 2021. That's what the announcement says. Upstox has about 28 lakh customers, 28 lakh demat accounts and investors who are operating from Upstox. It has big investors backing it such as Tiger Global Fund and Mr. Ratan Tata, former chairman of Tata Group. So in this IPL, we will see a financial sector company being one of the leading companies and the official partners for the IPL. So that's a very encouraging and exciting news. This was today's breaking news. If this video is good, please press the like button. If this video was useful to you, please type useful in the comment section and share this video with all your friends so that they will also get latest updates from this particular channel. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.